fans, I'm Joy Chu, a former scientist turned content creator, and the goal of my YouTube channel is to help home cooks become more confident with science. Merry Christmas Eve! As a special Christmas treat, I wanted to share a very delicious way to enjoy Japanese milk bread, Hong Kong style French toast. It's a stuffed French toast with the fluffiest bread, a creamy spread slathered inside, and sweetened condensed milk drizzled on top. Typically, people use peanut butter, but I'm a much bigger fan of chocolate hazelnut spread. So we'll do something a little more fun and less traditional. I've adapted this recipe from Christina Cho, and it goes like this. I start by cutting 4 slices of day-old milk bread, older bread being better because it'll absorb enough custard without falling apart. Each slice should be about a ½ inch thick, and I'm keeping the crust on because I prefer the rustic look. Next, I take 1 slice and slather on some homemade Nutella generously. Then I stick the slices together to make a sandwich. For the custard, I combine 3/4 cup of whole milk with 2 eggs, an 1/8 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and a 1/16 teaspoon of table salt, and whisk vigorously until evenly mixed. Then I add the custard to a shallow dish and soak each side of the sandwich for about 2 minutes. As the bread finishes soaking, I melt some butter in my cast iron skillet on medium heat. Once the butter starts to brown, I fry one side of the sandwich for a minute or 2 until GBD, golden brown and delicious. Then I flip the sandwich and fry the other side to GBD perfection. Then I repeat with the other 2 slices of bread. For the final touch, I add a little bit of butter and drizzle some sweetened condensed milk. Now that's some fine-looking Hong Kong style French toast, if I may say so myself. Thanks for watching. This is the last video in my 3-part series this week, so I hope you found the video and series useful. If you enjoyed them, like, share, and subscribe to my channel below. Have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, or for all my fellow Seinfeld fans, Happy Festivus. I'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Happy holidays.